This is not a test, this is a nuclear power plant warning. The following message is transmitted at the Request Morong police station at around 9:30 a.m. Philippine Standard Time. The Bataan nuclear power plant has exploded his reactor pipe. All residents in Bataan are advised to evacuate immediately. Get some supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, flashlight, a charge phone and first aid kit. Evacuate now. We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. Please stand by. This is not a test. I say again. This is not a test. This is an ongoing mass evacuation. The Bataan nuclear power plant's main reactor has exploded. The nuclear fallout radiation will be spread all over the Philippines in next 2 hours. You must to evacuate immediately. The following evacuation countries: Northern China, Russia, East Asia, Middle East, Australia, New Zealand, United States, and Canada. Before you going to evacuate, get some supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, flashlight, a charge phone, and first aid kit. The emergency alert system will be signing off now. You must evacuate now.